Okay, everyone, let's get some oil in our pan. That's about enough. Wonderful. All right, let's start with some nice garlic. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let's get our teriyaki right in there. And now we're going to hit it with our kale. Yes, get our kale in there. Cook it down. Cook our kale down. All right, cook the kale down. The water from the kale, yes. Cook that down. I'm going to show you how this works. Cook it down. Okay, what we're doing is we're just seasoning up our kale nicely. That's what we're doing. We're tossing it nicely. See how I'm tossing it? You don't want to do it too much because you don't want to overcook your kale. Yes, I'm going to hit it nicely with some walnuts. Yes. I'm going to hit it with some raisins. Look at that. Just get some nice raisins in there. There you go. Get that raisins in there. Get some nice raisins in there. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Toss that up nicely. Wow. There you have it. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. Okay, guys, this is it. This is how you can make your wonderful kale. Make a nice little vegetable there. Wonderful. Nice hot vegetable. Listen, this is wonderful. This is it. This is it.